Hello, I'm John Russell. Today, let's explore the sound of laws, the ah sound. To make the ah sound, your lips should be apart. They should have a shape like an oval, not a circle. Ah, ah. Your tongue should be slightly tense. It should be toward the back of your mouth and flat on the floor of your mouth. I said earlier that the ah sound was the sound of laws. This is because the spelling patterns for the ah sound are complicated and, well, boring. Kind of like how laws can be complicated and boring. But I want you to learn some of the common spelling patterns. The first is the letters AW, as in law, awesome, awful. The letters AU are another common pattern, as in author, audition. Then there are the AUGHT spellings, as in caught, daughter. Then there's the OUGHT spellings, as in fought, bought. And finally, the letters AL, as in always, small, tall. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.